Look at the difference. If you ever wonder why celebrities' skin looks so fresh and polished and perfect, this is why. They wear makeup. I have a lot of freckles on my skin. I'm a ginger. I have a lot of sun damage. I'm going to use MAC Face and Body, and I think I might use that on one side and then Dior Face and Body on the other side to see what the difference is. Most of us, even if you're not a freckly person, a lot of us have sun damage here. I'm just gonna take a kind of fluffy brush and I'm just gonna cheat my color up a little bit. You don't have to, but I feel a little bit better when I have just a touch of color. Now with MAC Face and Body, you can layer it up to 4 times. So it is really, really natural looking. I am gonna let this dry for a second and then I'm gonna add another layer. By the way, I would do this to my hands too. There's my hand, very fair, very pale. Not that there's anything wrong with that. I'm very veiny on my hands, so I find that when I have a little bit of color, it camouflages the veins just a little bit. Just the tops though. To me, this looks so much better. It's just a little bit more flattering. This is great on your legs. If you have spider veins or varicose veins and self-tanning is not your thing and you just want it for one special occasion, definitely look into MAC Face and Body or another like the Dior Face and Body. Another one that's good that has a lot more coverage is Dermablend. They have a body makeup as well. And I believe, I'm not sure if it's in Canada or not, but I know IT Cosmetics is coming out with one if it hasn't already arrived. See, look at the coverage. This is actually a better color match probably. Oh wow, I really like this one actually. Look at the difference. I knew Dior was gonna have a better coverage for sure. So if you're just wanting to add a little bit of perfection, go with the MAC Face and Body, but this one is so nice. Everybody asks me what my favorite foundation is, and it's the Dior Face and Body. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will see you later. Bye.